Hi guys, this is Arunadhan from YouTube. Today we are talk about that Mars. Now start with the Mars is in future it will become the habitable planet maybe because once upon a time it's there was a lot of rivers are going in the places. The solid events are we got from the about our researchers how we start told about the important things of habitable in millions of years ago. First one is they found the white rocks in the Jezero craters. Uh, um, what is that white rock? That white rock is spread in here and there in the Jezero crater. That is made up of kaolinite. Kaolinite, how could it be made in the earth? Kaolinite made by the where the dense for where the heavy rain and dense heavy humidity and dense forest and going there in that place the kaolinite are murdered. Because the kaolinite is a clay work. It has a aluminum, silicon materials. How could we made it? There is a lot of water uh, that percolating through the soil and removing the unwanted dust and remnants of the aluminum and what is that silicon is places that make that kaolinite. And then the next one is again I told you that another thing of the Mars is pips what is that pipsacla rock. That material as a that rock as a iron and nickel things and that's not a, Mars rock. It's a meteorite one meteorite rock. It tells that the many of years ago, many thousand, many millions of years ago, Mars once a time as a habitable planet. Now it's very dry and hard, dry and red planet. And that Mars, another thing is Olympus. Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is a largest volcanic mountain in the solar system. It is large. It is about three times larger than our Mount Everest. Its its height is approximately 26 kilometers. Its width of the width of the mountain is 600 kilometers with depth. Before before we found it, we can see it in the Mount Olympus. Sorry, Olympus Mons in the from Earth also. In the starting time, we see it next Olympia. Sea Lake, it has a sea lake. It has a ice house mountain. But later 1971, what is that? Mariner 9 after launch it tell that it's a not a ice mountain, it's a volcanic mountain. caldera of the mountain is 3 kilometer depth. How it happened? Because mm, um, there is no tectonic plate movements in Mars like Earth. That's why the lava of that mountain and putting out from the come out front and layered one by one layered one by one made that large big structure. uh, about 2.5 crore years before the volcanic eruption maybe happened. That mouth of the that volcanic is about 60 Olympic swimming pool fillable ice is placed on that place, placed on the mouth. Okay, today video is for. Bye bye, see you.